Here are some more detailed tips to help you quit smoking. Make a plan, write down your reasons for quitting, your quit date, and your strategies for staying smoke-free. Identify any triggers that may cause you to want to smoke, and plan how you will cope with them. Get support, tell your friends, family, and coworkers that you are quitting and ask for their support. Consider joining a support group, such as Nicotine Anonymous or Smart Recovery, or working with a counselor or coach who can provide additional support and guidance. Use nicotine replacement therapy. NRT can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings by providing a low dose of nicotine. NRT is available in several forms, including gum, patches, lozenges, and inhalers. It is most effective when used as directed by your healthcare provider. Try prescription medications. Several prescription medications can help you quit smoking. These include bupropion, Zyban, and varenicline, Chantix. These medications work by reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Get active. Exercise can help reduce cravings and improve your mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity, such as brisk walking, on most days of the week. Find healthy ways to cope with stress. Smoking is often used as a way to cope with stress, so finding new ways to manage stress is important. Some strategies include deep breathing, meditation, and exercise. Don't give up. It's common to have setbacks while trying to quit smoking. If you do slip up and smoke, don't get discouraged. Every day you don't smoke is a step closer to being smoke-free. Set a new quit date and try again. Remember, quitting smoking is a process and it may take several attempts before you are successful. But don't get discouraged. Each time you try to quit, you learn more about what works for you and what doesn't. With determination and the right tools and support, you can quit smoking for good.